And I hope na maging maayos or maging encouragement itong bagay na to sa mga tao dyan na kinakabahan na just try to do a new thing para malaman nyo kung saan talaga kayo fit, diba? So, God bless everyone!
Good afternoon to each and everyone. Let us witness the graduate of Operation Go Batch 3 2023.